May bago pong tagapagsalita ang prosekusyon. His name is Benjamin J. Tolosa Jr. Unlike Zia Lonto Adyong and Reneco, who are trial spokesperson sa bahagi ng Kamara, ito pong si Tolosa ay prosecution legal spokesperson. Ibig sabihin, he will be tasked with laymanizing legal arguments that will be presented by the prosecution panel. He is an alumnus of the University of Santo Tomas. Doon po siya nag-undergrad at nagtapos ng abogasya in 2008. He has been practicing law for nearly 2 decades. His past clients include TV5, Philippine Airlines, and American soldier Joseph Scott Pemberton, who was convicted of homicide and the killing of Filipino transgender woman Jennifer Laude. Dati po siyang taga-Acra Law, the law firm co-founded by the late former Senate President Edgardo Angara. Currently, he is the head of dispute resolution for Tolosa Javier Limenchua, a law firm that he also founded. So, what does he bring to the table? Tolosa will be among the many private prosecutors tapped by the House of Representatives.
The impeachment is a pivotal constitutional proceeding. It's one of the most important accountability mechanisms. As a trial lawyer, I found it to be a meaningful opportunity to place my experience in the service of that process.
Mahalaga po ang papel ng private prosecutors to level the playing field, kumbaga. The lawyers hired by Vice President Sara Duterte are seasoned litigators. Bread and butter nila, kumbaga, ang mga paglilitis. Magpipale in comparison yung recent limited experience ng House Public Prosecutors when it comes to litigation, primarily because lawmakers naman sila. Kaya nga in the past weeks ay nagtitake ng refresher courses ang public prosecutors. May lumabas pang balita noong nakarang linggo na kinain daw ng buhay ng defense si Congresswoman Jinky Luistro, bagay na pinabulaanan ng prosekusyon. For more impeachment updates, visit the Rappler website or download the Rappler app.